Here's how to use the Nourishing Conditioner to hydrate and nourish your hair without feeding the flakes. After rinsing out the Scalp Therapy Shampoo, apply a generous amount to your hair lengths, focusing on the ends. For short or fine hair, we suggest roughly a dime or nickel-sized amount. For medium hair, quarter-sized amount. And for longer, thicker hair, we suggest an amount roughly the size of a silver dollar. Use your fingers or a wide-toothed comb to distribute the formula gently. Let the Nourishing Conditioner sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Think peaceful, calming thoughts while you wait. Rinse thoroughly with cool or lukewarm water to seal in moisture. Pair the conditioner with the Calming Seborrheic Serum and Scalp Therapy Shampoo to create a healthy, harmonious scalp and hair routine for anyone dealing with flakes, itching, or redness. If you have any questions about caring for your skin, send us a message at support@dermazen.com. We're ready to help.